Hey guys, today I received this LED 300-watt parking lot light for reading purposes, and I think that it's great because it has a day and night sensor, so it turns off automatically. We get in here the mounting installations with all the important information about the lamp. Okay, in here, really well protected. I suppose that it's the let me cut this up in a moment. Okay, it's the mounting base where we can angle it with the nuts, bolts, and everything that we need to do the wiring. In here we get the sensor. Okay, as you can see, when it gets dark, it's gonna turn off automatically, which I think that it's great. Okay, this is the main unit. I think that it's great because it's IP66 waterproof rated, which I think that it's nice. Okay, and you can use it with a dimmable switch, so that way it can be dim, which I think that it's nice. Okay, we got the dimming cables right here, so we can place a dimming switch and the regular connections side right here. Okay, in this side we have a cooling system right here, and where the photocell goes, just have to sit on. Okay, and we are gonna place the base, which is this one, place it right here, and we're gonna install it, and let's see how it looks and how it works. Okay, come on. Okay guys, to start the installation process we need to fix the mounting base upon the proper main unit lamp. Okay, which I think that it's easily, it comes with all the screws that we are gonna need, and after that we're going to decide where we're gonna place it. You can place it up on a wall, into a pole, or anything. And when we're gonna install the photocell, we have to make sure to align this to marking so it's straight and it faces the proper direction. Just twist it up on the other direction, that's it. Then we just mount it into a pole in this case and make that it's securely tight and everything. Once that it's ready, we can set the angle if we need it and start doing the proper wiring. I'm just gonna place it upon a plug, so I can just place it upon a electrical cord. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed. I did end up inclining it 30 degrees, and I've set it up so it lights up this big area right here. Okay, so as you can see, I just wire it into a regular plug, so I'm gonna bring up my power cord and connect it, and it will turn off automatically at night because, as you could see, I placed on the photocell sensor. Okay, which I think that it's nice. So well, let's just wait until it gets darker. Come on. Okay guys, as you can see, now that it's nighttime, it did turn on. And as you can see, you can have a widespread area really brightened by this LED parking lot light, and I think that it's perfect, as I've said. So you can place it anywhere. You can place it even in your backyard. As you can see, I place it in here in this area that is outside, and I think that it's gonna be perfect. I could obviously also place it upon a wall or anything, but in here I think that worked really perfectly. As I've said, I think that it's great that it's really easy to install it. You don't need almost anything outside of what it's already included, which I think that it's great. And overall, because it's really nice, it's really easy to install, and I like a lot that it has the power skill, so it turns on and off automatically at night or at day. I think that it's great, and I would really recommend it. See you guys.